I'm here with Al, who purchased a heating and cooling system back in 2007. Who's also agreed to do a video testimonial on his experience, what he's thought about everything from start to finish. I guess my first question is, how did you choose to go with the type of system that you did and to use quality heating?
Well, thank you, Anthony. We've been in our house for 32 years. So when we first moved in, the HVAC systems that we actually had 2 furnaces and 2 air conditioners, one for the first floor and one for the second. So the first few years that we were in the home, we used a number of different companies to service the units periodically when we needed to check to make sure the air conditioners had enough cooling capacity and everything in them. So back in 2007, we decided, based on the age of the units, it was time to replace and upgrade them. So we went out to a number of companies and trying to get competitive quotes to just see what we could do. One of the companies that we did reach out to was Quality Heating. As we looked at the competitive quotes as they came back in, we noticed that a number of the companies are all really quoting the same product. So it became apparent to us that what was more important was the support behind the product. Since the number of companies are quoting the exact product, it's the ongoing support that is going to make the difference. And as we looked at these, we decided to go with the Quality Heating quote we received from the salespeople.
Well, from start to finish, I guess my next question is, how did the whole process go? From our comfort consultant coming out to the installation and the walkthrough?
Well, it really went very smooth. As I said, we got a number of competitive quotes. So the salesperson from Quality came out and did an audit on our system to see exactly what we had, then also listened to us to determine what were our needs and what we were trying to get out of the new system. He then recommended the system that we have, and that went very smoothly. Once we decided to move forward with the quality quote, the team was scheduled to come out, and everything went very smoothly. They showed up first thing in the morning, took out the 2 existing air conditioning and heating units, and replaced it with one with zone capability, so that the one unit would operate both a first floor zone and a second floor zone. So everything went very smoothly. Matter of fact, if you had looked in our basement after they left that day, you would not even known that anybody had ever been there. Everything was done professionally. It was very clean. And when they left, they explained everything that they had done and how the new unit works and operates.
After the installation, we always recommend that a person does annual maintenance to their equipment, such as doing an oil change on your car. Al and Darlene have been part of the maintenance program for some time now. We've got a discounted program through Quality Heating called the Quality Comfort Assurance Program. What do you think about that?
I think that's very important, and we really like the peace of mind that that program brings. Because like with any product, it is really important to do continuous maintenance on the product to keep it in top operating condition. And with this maintenance program, that's exactly what it accomplishes. And it gives us peace of mind, so that what happens is the quality service team contacts us in the spring, and they reach out and tell us it's time to go through the units. They come out, review the furnace, and more importantly, that the air conditioner is all tuned up and ready to go once the warm air arrives. Then at the same time, we get another call in the fall that tells us it's time to review the system again, and they review the furnace, make sure that it's ready to go along with the humidifier, so that when the cold weather arrives, the system's ready to perform as we need it.
Well, Al, we definitely appreciate your time, your thoughts, and your patronage. We look forward to doing service with you in the future.